Bridget Bartlett here. I'm looking at my camera and I don't understand why it's so weird. Um, okay. That is really strange. Okay, well, we're not going to do a lot of sharing here for some reason. I don't know why it's like so weird. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to screen share and hopefully that will eliminate this weird thing going on. Sometimes you just reboot your computer and now everything is like messed up. Okay, anyway, so my name is Bridget Bartlett. I am the CEO and founder of visionmarketinganddesign.com. And today we're going to talk about how to create a course funnel on HighLevel. So we actually started this series yesterday. Hopefully this funky screen problem does not continue when I share my screen. So let's actually just dive into it. All right, I'm going to move this over and let's go ahead and share. Okay, cool. Let's see if it'll. Okay, yeah, it still has me all looking weird. Okay, so let's just share the screen today. All right. We are inside of the HighLevel account. If you are a client, you have a sub account within Vision Marketing and Design. If you are an agency or a marketer, you actually should have your own HighLevel account. You can click the link in the description and get a trial. Okay, so um, inside of HighLevel, it's basically broken down into courses with which are products, and then you have the offer. Okay, so if we go to the products section here, you'll see, we started working on this Make Money on Fiverr course, okay? And we started building the course yesterday. But one thing I want to make really, really clear, because this was kind of confusing for me, and I do get a lot of questions about this, okay? When you're creating like a course sales funnel where it is basically you want to have a front end item that's free, and then you want to have a an I guess I don't you wouldn't call it, it would be like the front end offer actually. So you have your lead magnet that's free, you have the front end offer, which is usually like $7, and then you have the upsell offer, which is usually like $27. Okay, you can even have a downsell, and I mean you can really do a lot of very advanced things, but to make this simple, all I did was I created the ebook that is $7 and then the video. So I wanted to show you before I get into actually creating the price. I'm going to go through all of that with you and then how to actually create the offer. And then we're going to build the skeleton of the sales funnel. And then I'm going to show you how to actually add these onto your funnel. Okay, so we're going to do all of that today. All right. So inside of the ebook, now, of course, you could send them to a page with a button where they just click the link to download the ebook. But as we were going through this yesterday, I think, it's one thing to have a PLR product that it's already done for you. It's white labeled. It's, doesn't have any branding, so you can sell it as your own and use as lead magnets without actually having to create a course, which is super cool. But one of the really cool things is if you actually take it, the best thing is to actually take it and brand it as your own. So when I was looking at how cool this whole, the course creating or course builder, if you want to call it, I was looking at how cool it is. So I actually just turned this ebook into a full course. Okay, so I'm going to click here. And you'll see, I just took the ebook, I took the images of the actual like header of the ebook, and then I just created like chapters, okay? So I'm gonna click here, so you see like the whole course, you click here, and then here is the actual text. So all I really did was copy and paste and format. So if you go through, you can, someone can read, right? And then mark complete, and then they can keep track of what they have actually done. Okay. So this just basically adds more professionalism, more branding. You can add more things on the side here. So like if I wanted to add, my contact information, if they had questions, if I wanted to add, links all throughout here and recommendations, if I wanted to have like a whole section at the bottom where I wanted to, promote another offer or something like like that, I have a lot more flexibility because it's not just an ebook that they're downloading one time. They're actually visiting my website continuously, and I can actually drip this content out as well. So if I wanted to do, like, if we go to the where it shows all the chapters, there's actually 10 different modules. So you have the 8 chapters, and you have the introduction and the conclusion. So you could do a drip where every single day you send them a new article. And again, if they're downloading the ebook, you're pretty much, they download the ebook and then you're basically done. Like, yes, you could add links and things like that, but what we want to do is actually keep driving them back to our website. Okay, that's how we're going to get positioning. That's how we're going to establish ourselves as an authority. That's how we're going to stay in their mind all the time, because we're not only contacting them every day, but we're sending them the value that they actually signed up for. So the chances of them opening our emails and consuming our content is a lot higher because they have chosen to opt into our business. It's a lot better than if you're just, trying to cold message people and all that. Okay. So we have this ebook area here. Now, if you click the library, this is the really cool thing. It's only going to show up the products that they actually purchased. So these are actually all of the products inside of my membership areas, but I can determine by creating offers who gets what. Okay. So, and again, this is the part that I really wanted to kind of drive home because it is kind of, it's kind of confusing. Okay. So you have this full complete library of all of the different products. Okay. So you see, I actually created a product for the ebook, and then I created a product for the video course. Okay. So now let's look at the video course just to show you what I did with that. I actually just took the images that they gave me and I made that the basically like the I guess the icon or whatever of the chapter. And then if you click there, you see that all of the videos are added. So they can go through each module, 5 secrets, the good news. And to get these titles, all I did was just copy that. Okay. And what I would do on each and every one, but I just wanted to show you an example, is add content down here, right? So they're watching the video, right? They can't do anything but watch the video. They can't leave the screen or whatever. So if you add, helpful information down here that might be relevant to them, then now they're going to be staring at it. So what do you think if I promote this Fiverr course as a course for freelancers that is, vision marketing and design? This is our Fiverr course. And, while you're consuming the content, if you want to book a free discovery call, click here. Okay. So this is how you really establish your own brand inside of a PLR course. Okay. So the really cool thing is too, as the visitor works through the course, even if they don't mark it complete or they do, you can actually see in the analytics who has actually been consuming your content. So that is another way of, getting a really hot lead because they're actually diving in every day, consuming your content. And of course, there's a lot of more advanced things that you can do. Like you can have, if they log in, you can have it trigger, different sequences and things like that. Okay. But this is basically the back end of this course. So to look at the preview, you can click here, and that's basically what the client or the lead is going to see. All right. So now we've talked about the products. So let's go to the offers now, because if we are selling the ebook, okay, that needs to be an offer all on its own, because what if they only purchase the ebook? Okay, so that would actually be one offer in itself. And then we have the video. Okay, the video course is going to be the upsell. So if we click here, we actually need to add the ebook to this offer as well, because if they don't purchase the ebook, they're not even going to get offered the video course. Okay. So if they do purchase the ebook, then they get offered the video course. But if they purchase the video course to get access to this, they also need to have access to the ebook, right? So let's go ahead. I'm just going to look for it here. And where is it? Make money on Fiverr. I wonder, did I not publish it? Okay, so let's go back here. And let me look at Make Money on Fiverr. It is published. I wonder why it's not showing up in there. So we have our video course, add product, Make Money on Fiverr videos. Okay, I have no idea why I'm not seeing that. Oh, no? Okay, now I'm really confused because I was just looking at this. Okay, so I will figure that out another time, but you know how to make products, right? So if you're going to like, I don't know why this one isn't showing up, but let's say I wanted to add an additional product here. I could choose any of that. Well, let me see. Oh, okay. So it's actually already chosen. So when I was looking at the video course, that's what I was misunderstanding. Okay, so in the video course, since it's the upsell, we want to have the Make Money on Fiverr ebook course and the Make Money on Fiverr video course, okay? So let's go back here now. And now what we want to do is actually create the products, okay? And there are multiple ways to create a product, but let's just go ahead. We're going to go to the funnels, and we're going to just create a new funnel. And we're just going to start from scratch. So I'm just going to say Fiverr. Actually, we'll just call it Make Money on Fiverr. All right, and create funnel. All right, so let's talk about the steps of this this funnel. So we need an opt-in page, okay? So this is the page. It's going to be very, very simple, and it's going to basically just get them into the free guide, okay? So we'll just say opt-in for free guide, just to stay organized here, for free guide. And then we'll say, we'll just leave that as opt-in. If you didn't know, HighLevel has the ability to import funnels from ClickFunnels directly. So if you have the URL, you can just click there to import it and it will create a copy. So that's super cool. Okay, so we have the opt-in page, all right? So now the next page, let's walk through the customer journey, okay? They see the ad or they see your video where you're talking about your free guide and guiding them to, to click in the description for the free guide, or you've sent out an email and you've said, hey, check out this free guide that I have on how to make money on Fiverr. However you decide to get traffic to your free guide, they're going to go to that first page and then they're going to either opt in or not opt in. Okay. Once they opt in, they're going to go to a page, and that page needs to tell them, one, where to get their free guide, but it's also going to upsell them on the ebook. Okay. So we're going to say, this is the ebook sales page. And this is also the, we could call this indoctrination, or we could just say instructions. Okay, because I just want us to remember when we're building this out that they need the ebook sales page, but they also need instructions somewhere on the page. Okay, so let's say ebook. We'll just call this ebook. Okay, and we're going to create the funnel step. Now, the next one is going to be the video upsell. Okay, so we're going to say video sales page. Video sales page. So we'll just say video and create funnel step. Okay, so after they have purchased all of, or they haven't, right? They need to end up in a place that's going to have the free guide, whether they've purchased this or not. And then they need to have access to the ebook and the video sales page, okay? So what that is going to be is actually the membership area, okay? So that's going to be whatever you set when you are originally setting up, and we talked about this yesterday, when you're originally setting up the membership area of your account, okay? So you can only have one. So this is, and mine is actually training.myvisionagency.com. Okay. So you're going to set up a domain for that training hub. And then when you create the products and you want to disperse them, then you will decide in the offers who is going to get what. Okay. So we created an offer for the ebook, and we also created an offer for the video sales. Okay, so which means we need to have a place where we're going to deliver this and then also give them access. So let's create a new page, and let's call this the thank you page. And let's just for our notes, we're going to say deliver lead magnet. Of course, we're going to change all this later because this isn't very good for SEO. But when I'm organizing in this way, I like to just stay very clear what I need to do on each page. Okay, so this is going to be the thank you page where I need to deliver the lead magnet and then give access. Okay, so that's what we're going to say. Give access, and then we're going to change this to thank you. Let's not put a space. Thank you. Okay, and create funnel step. Okay. So now we have actually created the skeleton of our course funnel. Okay, so now we need the products. So let's go to ebook sales page, and we're going to click here to create products. Now I'm doing this on my live account because I have my Stripe account connected. So this is why I wanted to do this on my live account. So let's go to add products now, and we're just going to call this Fiverr ebook. Of course, we're going to change that, but for instruction purposes. And we're going to say this is $7. So let's look for, we don't actually have the product, so we need to create a product. So let's click here, and you'll see the page here where we want to create our product. So I'm going to say Fiverr ebook. And this is a digital product. You can add your logo and all of that here. I'm not going to make this very pretty. I just want to walk through the steps with you guys so that you know how you can do this yourself. So just FYI, if you missed the training yesterday, definitely go back because I show you how to access the resources where you can get all of the PLR products as a member that you can use and create as many courses as you want. So now we have some additional options here. I do like to set the statement descriptor because that's what's going to show up on their credit card statement. And I want them to know that what this is, right? If it just shows up like, Billy Bob's Marketing, they may not know when they clicked on that ad for their Fiverr guide that it was Billy Bob's Marketing that did that. So we're just going to say like Fiverr guide, just so they know what it was. And then we can actually, I think that's spelled wrong. We can actually just copy and paste this. So we're just creating our products like usual here, and we're going to make it $7, and it's a one-time fee. It's not a subscription. If you want to click additional options, you have the price description here. And here's the important part, okay? We need to mark this as a membership offer. And this is why everything needs to be in an offer instead of a product, okay? Because everything in the membership areas is associated by user and not location. So you might have the admin who has all of the access to all of the resources, but yet your users, you don't want them to have access, okay? So it's all based on the actual individual, all right? So mark this product as a membership offer. And when you click that, now we need to choose the ebook offer. All right, so make money on Fiverr is our ebook offer. So now what we've done is we've said when they purchase this product, we want to release the membership area. So they're going to log in. Everyone's going to log in to the same login place, and that's the place that you have set the in your membership area, right? You've given it a domain name. Everyone's going to log into the same domain, but according to whatever their individual actions are, we're going to release that product, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and create this product here. So now we have that. Since we're here, let's go ahead and create our product for our Fiverr video course. So we'll just say video course. And let me just copy this, and we're going to say digital goods, and we will call it that. And this one is going to say $27. It's a one-time fee. We click additional options. I'll go ahead and just add that there. And now we want to set the membership area offer. And so we're going to choose the Make Money on Fiverr video course. Okay. We could actually choose the Make Money on Fiverr offer as well. So if we didn't want to add this, if we didn't want to add the ebook to this offer, we wouldn't have to, right? So we could just add both of the products in there into that offer. So however you want to set it up, it's just important to know that you do have both options. I don't have to do that because we've already added the ebook into this specific offer. So I'm just going to leave it at that one, and then we'll click Create Product. Okay, so now I have my Fiverr video course and my Fiverr ebook. So now I'm going to go back to sites, and I'm going to go to my funnels here and Make Money on Fiverr. So let's go back into that funnel. And now on the video sales or the ebook sales page, I need to go back to the products, and we're going to go ahead and let's add Fiverr ebook. And I'm going to copy this. And we're going to say, you actually don't have to put anything here if you don't want to, but we're going to just choose the Fiverr ebook product. And now we want to choose a price, and we've already selected that. So we have that there. And we're going to click Save. Okay, if you had a bump product that you wanted to offer, you could do that, but we're just going to click Save here to make it simple. Okay. So now we need to add the video offer to the video sales page. So I'm going to go to products, and I'm going to go to add a product, and let's go ahead and add the Fiverr videos. And we can put $27 here, or we could just choose the product here, and we can select the price. So when we select the price, the reason it comes up here is because this is what pulls up under this product inside of Stripe. So when we created our products before we came back here, we were actually creating the product in HighLevel in our account in addition to creating it in Stripe. Okay. So you can also click here if you had a bump product, but we're just going to click Save. Okay. So now we have we've created our funnel. Okay, so we have this page here that's going to be our free guide. We have our ebook sales page, which is going to have instructions to access the free guide, and we're going to be selling our ebook product there, and we've set it up to release that membership area or release that product within the membership area when they log in. And we also have created our video sales page and the video product, and we've set that up to where when they purchase, it's going to release that product within the membership area. So actually, since we created an offer that had 2 products in it, it's going to release that, and then they will have access to both products. Okay. And then, of course, we have our thank you page where we need to deliver the free lead magnet, and we need to give them a button to log in. We'll only need one button because there's only one membership area. And then when they log in with that email that they purchased with, then they're going to get access to those specific products. So they're just going to have to log into one place, and they will have what they purchased. Okay. So this is where I'm basically going to stop today because I know that we've talked a lot. We've gone over a lot of information. I wanted to check in my with my team here and see if there's any questions. Hello, Linwood. Hello, Accent Webnet. Hello, Maria. Hello, or Mia. Hello. Hello, Shawana. Hello, welcome. Nice to see you. Okay. So thank you all so much for joining me. If you want to create your own HighLevel account and join Team Vision for free, you can click the link in the description or go to highlevel.visionmarketinganddesign.com. Let me see if my camera is still, it's still so weird. I don't understand that. It's so crazy. Okay. Well, it is what it is. Thank you all so much for joining me. I will see you tomorrow, same time, same place. We're going to continue on this series of creating a course funnel. And of course, like I said, I'm actually going to share this with you when it's ready. So you guys will all have it if you're a member of my team, that you can start getting leads for your business. And the cool thing is you can just duplicate, and then now you have a template for all of your courses and your course funnels. So I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place. Go make your vision a reality. Bye.